Hello and good morning. My name is Shanmugapriya Balakrishnan and my matrix number is 278530. Today I'm going to present my final assignment for subject Introduction to Mathematical Economics Group C. The question is, my company can produce at most 120 units of handmade shoes labeled perfect fit each year. The demand equation for perfect fit is P is equals to x square minus 100x plus 3200, where P is price and x is quantity or units produced. The average cost function is 2 over 3 x square minus 40x plus 10,000 over x. So number 1a, the question is find the total revenue function R. Question B, find the total cost function. Question C, find the total profit function. Question D, determine the output level that will maximize profit and the amount of profit obtained. Second question, based on your profit function, do the following. A, find the y-intercept. B, find the intervals where the function is increasing or decreasing. C, find the intervals where the function is concave upwards or downwards. D, find the inflection point. E, draw the graph of the profit function using information 2a minus d. On your graph, also show the absolute maximum, absolute minimum, relative minimum and relative maximum points. Label your graph and write all important coordinates and intervals. Question number 1a. Find the total revenue function R. To find the total revenue function R, we should times P and X. P is x square minus 100x plus 3200 must times with x. We'll get x cubed minus 100x square plus 3200x. Question B. Find the total cost function C. We already have average cost function. We should times that with x to find the total cost function, which is 2 over 3x square minus 40x plus 10,000 over x times with x. We'll get 2 over 3x cubed minus 40x square plus 10,000. Question C. Find the total profit function. To find the total profit function, we should minus revenue function and cost function. The revenue function is x cubed minus 100x square plus 3200x minus with cost function, which is 2 over 3x cubed minus 40x square plus 10,000. The answer will be 1 over 3x cubed minus 60x square plus 3200 minus 10,000. Question D. Determine the output level that will maximize profit and the amount of profit obtained. The profit function is 1 over 3x cubed minus 60x square plus 3200x minus 10,000. From that, we can find that the derivative function of profit function is x square minus 120 plus 3200. From there, we can find that x is equals to 80 and x is equals to 40. The second derivative function of profit function is 2x minus 120. So we should substitute that 80 and 40 in this equation. By substituting 80, we'll get 40, and by substituting 40, we'll get negative 40. The question already highlight maximized profit. So we should ignore that negative and take that positive 40 and substitute into the actual profit function, which is 1 over 3 times by 40 cubed minus 60 times by 40 square plus 3200 times by 40 minus 10,000. We'll get 43,333.33. So the output level that will maximize profit is 40 units and the amount of profit obtained is $43,333.33. Question number 2a. Find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we should substitute 0 as x. So 1 over 3 times with 0 cube minus 60 0 square plus 3200 times 0 minus 10,000. We'll get negative 10,000. So the y-intercept is equals to negative 10,000. Question B. Find the intervals where the function is increasing or decreasing. Step 1. We should find the critical values. From the function 1 over 3x cubed minus 60x squared plus 3200x minus 10,000, we'll get the derivative function of profit function, which is x squared minus 120x plus 3200. From that we can find the value of x, which is x is equals to 80 and x is equals to 40. Step 2, we should create sign diagram. To create sign diagram, we should substitute 30, 50 and 90. By substituting 30, we'll get 500. By substituting 50, we'll get negative 300. By substituting 90, we'll get 500. So the profit function is increasing on negative infinity 40 union 80 infinity, while decreasing on 40 and 80. Question C. Find the intervals where the function is concave upwards or downwards. The first derivative function of profit function is x squared minus 120x plus 3200, and the second derivative function is 2x minus 120. From that we can find that x is equals to 60. By substituting 30 and 80 in the second derivative function, we can get that negative 60 and 40. So therefore the function is concave downwards on negative infinity 60 and concave upwards on 60 infinity. Question D. Find the inflection point. The second derivative function of profit function is 2x minus 120. From that we can get x is equals to 60. To find the inflection point, we should substitute that 60 into the actual profit function, which is 1 over 3 times 60 cubed minus 60 times 60 square plus 3200 times 60 minus 10,000. We'll get 38,000. So the inflection point is 60 and 38,000. Question E. Draw a graph of the profit function using information 2a minus d. On your graph, also show the absolute maximum, absolute minimum, relative minimum and relative maximum points. Question F. Label your graph and write all important coordinates and intervals. So the absolute minimum value is 0, negative 10,000. The absolute maximum value is 120 and 86,000. The relative maximum point is 40 and 43,333.33, and the relative minimum point is 80 and 32,666.67. The inflection point is 60 and 38,000. That's all from me. I hope that my explanations are clear. Thank you for listening. Thank you.